I'm delighted to be able to share this recipe with you. So F1 Savoury includes the mushroom and herb flavours. It's free of sugar, it's gluten-free, it's good for vegans, and also it's free of artificial colours and preservatives. But first, I want to show you how to use this product, the F1 Savoury mushroom and herb flavour, how to use it in a meal replacement soup. So I've got 250 ml of warm milk. You don't want to use boiling milk. If you use boiling milk, you're going to lose some of the nutritional value of the F1 Savoury. So I've got very warm, almost hot milk, and one serving, so 2 spoonfuls, 26 grams of the F1. 1, 2, there. So I'm going to put the warm milk in. You don't have to have a blender to make this. You could just shake it or stir it really well, but I do think it gives a lovely silky effect if you blend it. There, quick blend. There. And if I didn't want to use regular milk, I could use a plant-based drink. And that would work too. Heat it up. And that's it. The next thing I'm going to do is make this brand new recipe for you that I've just created. It's based on the stuffed tomatoes recipe, which is from the Herbalife Nutrition Europe and Africa cookbook. So for this recipe, I am using 1 red onion, 6 tomatoes, 2 cloves of garlic, 300 ml of vegetable stock, 150 grams of risotto rice, some nutmeg, some fresh thyme, fresh parsley, a little bit of pepper, and a tablespoon of olive oil. Okay, first thing I need to do is chop the red onion and the garlic. Give it a stir and cover with the saucepan lid. Take each tomato and just cut the top as though it's just the lid, and then just cut in all the way around and place the scooped out tomato upside down to get rid of any excess moisture. Pour this into a blender and whiz it up. Now come back to the onions and the garlic. Add into this the risotto rice, the 150 grams, and the 300 ml of vegetable stock, and the tomato juice. A little bit of pepper, and simmer it until the rice is cooked, which will take about 20 to 25 minutes. So take that off the heat, put in the parsley and the thyme, some grated nutmeg, 4 spoons, which is 2 servings or 52 grams altogether of F1 Savoury mushroom and herb, 2 spoons, which is 12 grams on that side of PPP, personalized protein powder. Stir them all together. Take a couple of dessert spoons and take some of the mix and spoon it in to fill them up. Pop the lid on top and then sit them in a bun tray or a muffin tray. Now pop them into your preheated oven, 200 degrees or a fan oven 185. They'll take about half an hour to cook. So that's it, my stuffed tomatoes recipe using the Herbalife Nutrition F1 Savoury with mushrooms and herbs. For more information and inspiration on how to use the Herbalife products, check out the Herbalife Nutrition Cookbook for Europe and Africa.